Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In today's video, we're going to talk about ChatGPT and why it's important in today's world. But before we dive into that, let me introduce you to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like responses to text-based input. It's trained on a vast data set of human interactions, allowing it to understand context and provide relevant responses. Now, you might be wondering why ChatGPT is important in today's world. Well, for starters, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with technology. With the rise of chatbots and virtual assistants, having an AI language model like ChatGPT can help companies provide better customer service and support. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used in education and research. Researchers can use it to analyze human language and understand how we communicate. Educators can use it to create interactive learning experiences that adapt to the students' needs. We have created a comprehensive one-hour course on utilizing ChatGPT, and it comes with a certification upon completion as displayed on screen. The link to the course is available in the description. Additionally, we are currently offering an early bird discount for just Rs.99, so act fast before the offer expires. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.